Okay, so last time we already have started the discussion with probability concepts and applications. Let's continue this chapter. But before that, let's pray the Dominican blessing. In the name of Father, Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
May God the Father bless us. God the Son lead us. May God the Holy Spirit enlighten us and give us eyes to see with, ears to hear with, hands to do the work of God, feet to walk with, and mouth to preach the word of salvation. And may the angel of peace watch over us and lead us at last with the rich gift of the kingdom.
Amen. In the name of Father, Son, the Holy Spirit. Okay, so we have discussed last meeting probability, terminologies in probability, basic laws of probability. We have two basic laws. First is probability of an event should always be, so the probability of any event is greater than or equal to 0 or less than equal to 1. So it's always between 0 and 1, including 0 and 1 inclusive. So pwedeng 0 probability, 1 probability, or in between. That is the basic law, first basic law. The second law is the sum of all probabilities is always equal to 1 or 100%. Next, probability. Types of probability, we have objective and subjective. Objective is based on experiment. Subjective is based on opinion, judgment, or survey. Events, we have two classification of events: mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive events. If your given events cannot happen at the same time, cannot, hindi pwedeng sabay, mutually exclusive tawag natin doon. Pagka meron silang common denominator, merong common ground or commonalities, we call that non-mutually exclusive events. And if your given events combine all the given events and produce the whole sample space, lahat ng given, therefore it's called a collectively exhaustive events. Your given is collectively exhaustive. For your assignment, ayan, we had an assignment, part C, wherein you have to identify if it's mutually or non-mutually exclusive and apply which addition rule to be followed. So for addition rule, we have two formulas. Yung add two events lang, add two probabilities of events, we use this for mutually exclusive events. So if one is 50% and the other one is 25%, pag pinagsama mo yung dalawang probability na yon, tumataas yung chance niya. That is 75%. Kasi mutually exclusive sila. Pero if non-mutually exclusive events, you have to use this formula. Ang note dyan, kapag may hyphen, may minus. So bakit may minus? So you have to consider yung probability or yung common ground nila and deduct that from the combination of the two probabilities. So let your do your assignments. Answer them using these formulas. Let's start with number 1. A day of a week is chosen at a random any day. What is the probability that choosing a Monday or Tuesday? So pili daw tayo ng isang araw sa isang linggo. Ano yung probability na mapili natin is Monday or Tuesday? So imagine mo na lang i-dodrolats mo siya. Is this mutually exclusive or non-mutually exclusive events? Anyone?
Yeah, mutually exclusive siya, ma'am.
Okay, for Edgar, it's mutually exclusive, which is correct. So it can only be either Monday or Tuesday. Hindi pwedeng both. Monday or Tuesday lang yung choices natin. Therefore, Edgar, ano ang formula na gagamitin natin? Is it the first one or the second one?
Yung first one.
Okay, yung walang minus, the first one. So, assuming that A is your Monday and B is Tuesday, let's solve or do the solution. So what is the probability of getting Monday, Edgar?
1/7, ma'am.
1/7. This is for Monday. And what's the probability of getting Tuesday?
1/7.
1/7 also. So you have 1/7 chance for Monday, 1/7 chance for Tuesday. Combine both, what is the probability of choosing Monday or Tuesday? See? Pagsasamahin natin yung chances nila. 1/7 plus 1/7 is 2/7. Or decimal form,
0.28
0.57.
0.2857.
Kahit apat lang. O yun, 4, 5. So that is 28 point, mali-mali ka naman. Yan. 28.57%. Meron ba kayong ibang sagot? Do you have a different answer? No. For this problem, mutually exclusive, combine the two probabilities. Next. Number 2. In a pet store, there are 6 puppies, 9 kittens, 4 bunnies, and 7 parakeets. If a pet is chosen at random, what is the probability of choosing a puppy or a parakeet? Aside from Edgar, who can answer this? Is this a mutually exclusive or non-mutually exclusive? Anyone? So Leander said non-mutually exclusive. Non-mutually ba to? In a pet store, given are 6 puppies, 9 kittens, 4 bunnies, 7 parakeets. If a pet is chosen, what is the probability na ang pipiliin natin ay puppy or parakeet? Mutually exclusive, non-mutually exclusive. May chance ba na ang mapili mong pet, puppy na siya, parakit pa siya? Anyone? From Kenneth Samson, this is mutually exclusive. Kenneth, may mic ka?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, mutually exclusive, therefore, anong formula na gagamitin natin?
Yung una po.
Okay, the first one. So, given that or assuming A is your puppy, and B is parakeet. So, what is the probability of getting puppy?
6/26.
6/26. 6 puppies out of 26 pets. 6 plus 9 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 7 is 26. Plus, what is the probability of getting parakeet?
7/26.
This is 7/26. So 6/26 chance for puppy, 7/26 chance for parakeet. The chance of getting parakeet or puppy is
13/26.
13/26. Lowest form,
1/2.
1/2, or decimal form,
50%. 0.5.
0.5.
0.5. Percent
50%.
form,
50%.
50%.
50%. Thank you. So any of these are accepted. Fraction form, decimal form, percent form. So from the given 6 puppies, 9 kittens, 4 bunnies, 7 parakeets. If a pet is chosen at random, you have 50% chance to get na ang napulot mo is either puppy or parakeet, because half of the population is composed of puppy or parakeets. Same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next problem. The probability of a New York teenager owning skateboard is 0.37. Probability of owning bicycle is 0.81. And the probability of owning both is 0.36. If a New York teenager is chosen at a random, what is the probability that the teenager owns a skateboard or a bicycle? Is this mutually exclusive, non-mutually exclusive?
Mutually, ma'am.
Okay, from Victor, this is mutually. So what are the events? Events of having skateboard, and the other is owning a bicycle. Is there a chance na mangyari siyang sabay? May common ground sila that a teenager owns skateboard and also a bicycle. Meron ba? Wala. From the given, is there a chance
Ay,
that
ma'am. Wala yata, ma'am. Kasi po pag ME, hindi pwedeng same. Ay, pwede po, ma'am, kasi hindi naman po siya same na outcome. Magkailan po, ma'am, eh. bicycle po at saka skateboard yung isa. Kaya possible ba, ma'am?
Possible na?
Sabay, pwede po. Kasi di po parehas na parang item. Tama ba, ma'am?
So, skateboard, bicycle, hindi naman siya pipili eh. The question kasi here is probability na yung teenager owns a skateboard or a
Pwede po.
bicycle. Ibig
Usually.
sabihin, among teenagers daw, sa kanila, some of them has skateboard, some of them has bicycle, at yung iba sa kanila, merong both bicycle and skateboard. So with these figures, ano ang probability ngayon na yung matatanungan natin, meron siyang skateboard at bicycle or bicycle? Anong formula kaya?
Yung non-mutually exclusive, ma'am?
Non-mutually exclusive. If
Formula 2.
Formula po.
Sige, let's figure out kung aling formula yung gagamitin natin. If itong formula to na ang gagamitin, that is, ano yung skateboard? 0.37 plus bicycle 81. Answer is
0.36, ma'am.
0.36, 0.37 plus 0.81. This is 1.18.
18. 0.76.
So pag 1.18 times 100, ilang percent yun? Or 118% of your population owns bicycle or skateboard. Seems wrong, di ba? If we try the second formula naman, 0.37
Plus
plus
0.81
0.81
minus
Minus
0.36
minus 0.36, yung
equals
common ground
0.82.
nila, ililess natin kasi binilang natin yung may bike. 37 out of 100 may bike. Binilang natin, binilang natin yung may skateboard, 37 out of 100. Binilang natin yung may bike, 81 out of 100. Tatanggalin natin doon yung may bike at saka skateboard na parehong meron siya kasi nakabilang na siya sa skateboard, nakabilang na siya sa bicycle. So, ililess natin siya. Yung 36, ililess natin. So, that is 1.80 minus 36.36.
82%.
0.82.
82.
So, ano yung mas mukhang tama?
Pangalawa.
82%.
Dalawa. So, giving us, so this is yung mas acceptable, giving us that this example is NME, non-mutually exclusive. So, the answer is 82%. Ang explanation niyan, this is your pie chart, 82%. Pie chart siya ng mga teenagers. 82% is merong skateboard yung teenager, meron siyang bicycle, or meron siyang boat. Tapos yung 18% na bahagi ng pie chart, sila yung walang skateboard, walang bicycle, or kahit ano, wala siya. So, ibig sabihin, if a New York teenager, randomly, nagtanong tayo sa park, tinanong natin siya, kung meron ba siyang skateboard, meron ka bang bike, o meron kang pareho? We have 82% chance ang sasagot niya is yes. Kasi among the statistics, yun yung na-compute natin. So malaki yung chance na sasagot is meron siyang bike, meron siyang skateboard, or pareho. Follow?
Follow po.
Okay. Other answers? Wala. Next. Number 4. A number from 1 to 10 is chosen at a random. What is the probability of choosing 5 or an even number? This is mutually exclusive, non-mutually.
Mutually exclusive po.
Okay. Coming from Dominic. This is mutually exclusive. Ganun din yung sagot ni Carla. Alright, Dominic. Aning formula ang gagamitin natin? The first one, the second one.
First one po.
Okay, the first formula. Mutually exclusive siya kasi, ang sabi natin, 1 to 10, ano yung chance na makuha natin is 5 or even number. So, either 5 yung makuha natin or even number siya. Walang chance na yung 5 ninyo is makaklasify na siya as even number. So, mutually exclusive siya. Ay, undo. Ayan. Solution. Assuming A is 5 and B is even number, probability of A, probability of B. So what is the probability of getting 5? Dominic?
6 out of 10 or 60% po.
Yung 5 lang muna for the solution.
Pa?
Yung 5 lang. Probability of getting 5.
1 out of 10 po.
1 out of 10. Plus, probability of getting even number.
5 out of 10 po.
5 out of 10. So this is for your 5. And this is even. So 1 over 10 chance for 5 and 5 over 10 chance for even. Combine, then you get 6 over 10 as said by Dominic. Or this is 3 over 5 or 60%, 0.6 or 60%. Tama?
Opo.
Other answers? Okay. Next. A single six-sided dice is rolled. What is the probability of rolling a number greater than 3 or an even number? So, what is the probability of getting greater than 3? Ano ba yung mga greater than 3? So, you have 4, 5, 6. Or, what is the probability of getting even number? Ano yung even number between 1 to 6, the dice?
2, 4,
4, 6.
6.
So, is this mutually exclusive, non-mutually exclusive?
Non-mutual.
Non-mutually exclusive. Therefore, what formula?
Uh, P-
Second.
second po.
So given that your A is for greater than 3 and B is for even number, what is the probability of getting A? What is the probability of getting greater than 3? Ano yung chance natin na makukuha natin ay more than 3? Anyone? Carla?
3/6.
That is
3/6.
from Francis, 3/6. Ano yung tatlong yon? 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 faces ng dice. Plus probability of getting even number. When you roll a dice.
3/6.
3/6. Ano yung tatlong yon? 2, 4, 6. Minus, sabi nyo, second formula, ano yung both A and B? Greater than 3 na siya, even number pa siya. Ano yung mga greater than 3, even number?
4, 6.
We have
4, 6.
4
5.
and
6.
6. Making ilang chance yon? Ilang probability? Anong probability ng 4 and 6 then?
2/6.
2/6. M dash 3 plus 3, 6/6 minus 2/6. This is 4/6 or 2/3 or 0.80.
80%.
Ay, 80 ba? 0.6667.
80.
Tama ba? Or 67%.
May tanong po ako.
Yes, Francis.
Paano po nakuha yung 2/6?
Probability of greater than 3 and even number. So this is probability of getting greater than 3 o greater than 3 to. Probability of even. Ito, probability of both. Even number na siya, greater than 3 pa siya. Let me just draw that. So sa Venn diagram, probability A and B, ano yung A natin? Greater than 3. We have 4, 5, and 6. Sa B, even number, we have 2, 4, and 6. Mutually exclusive. So sa A, more than 3, 1, 2, 3. 3/6. Sa B, even number sa 6 faces of dice. 2, 4, and 6. 3/6. Yung both, itong nasa gitna, dalawa. Even number na siya, greater than 3 pa siya. 1, 2, 2/6. Follow?
Follow po. Sige po.
Any other answers, questions?
Hello po, ma'am.
Okay na? Okay.
Ay.
Yes, Dominic.
Paano po siya naging 67%?
4 divide by 6.
Okay po.
M does, weights. So 3/6 plus
Hindi.
3/6 is
Mali po pala ano.
6/6.
Mali ko po na-compute yun sa akin. 4/6 po yun. Tapos, na ano ko po, 80%.
So, pero tama na yung sa akin.
Opo,
Okay.
4/6 din po yun sa akin.
Pareho na tayo. 67%.
Mali lang po ako, 80% po yung nalagay.
Yung sa answer mo.
Opo. Pero 4/6 po yun. 4/6 or 80% po yung
Hindi lang
linagay.
siya equal. Okay. So, be careful with your calculations. Nag-or tayo tapos yung or natin hindi siya nag-equate, hindi siya equivalent. So, be careful. So, I'll accept either answer, 2/3, 4/6, 67, 67%. Unless I indicate kung ano yung kailangan ko, percent, decimal form, fraction, I'll accept any. Okay? Any question? Before we move on? Okay na tayo kay mutually na mutually. Addition rule. First formula, second formula. Kunwari, yes, move on. Next. Okay, so we have, among events, we also have statistical dependence. With probability experiment, sometimes yung mga probability experiments natin, yung first event, may kinalaman siya or will affect the second event or the succeeding events. If that happens, you'll consider the dependence ng mga events natin or occurrences natin. So we have two classification, independent and dependent event. For independent event, proper definition, occurrence of one event has no effects on the probability of the occurrence of the other event. Example, tossing a coin. First toss natin, heads and tails. What is the percent of makuha natin is heads?
50.
This is 50%, 50-50. Second toss, heads and tails. What is the chance makuha natin is heads? Tapon ulit natin yung toss na yung coin natin.
50 siya, ma'am.
Yes, Edgar?
50% pa rin.
50% pa rin. Tails? 50% pa rin. Third throw. Heads and tails. What are the chances?
50 pa rin.
50 pa rin. So kahit makaisang beses natin itapon yung coin, it's always 50-50 chances for heads and tails. No changes, making this experiment as an independent event. Contrary, dependent events, the occurrence of one event gives information or has an effect about the occurrence of the succeeding event or the other event. So example is, we have here 5 colored balls. 2 blue and 3 red. Getting or picking a random of 2 balls check natin yung probability. So from the given, ano ba yung mga combination natin pag kukuha tayo ng dalawang bola magkasunod? Pwedeng ang makuha nyo una is blue, tapos yung second yung mabunot is blue. Right? That's one possibility. Pwedeng ang makuha nyo is red sa una, tapos blue yung pangalawa. That's another possibility. Pwedeng ang una nyo makuha is blue, and the other one is, or the second one is red. Another possibility. Or, pareho mo makuha is red, hindi mo nabunot yung blue. Yan yung mga combination na pwede natin makuha if we're picking 2 balls from the jar. Ma'am, bakit blue-red lang? Kasi blue-red lang naman yung nasa given natin. Bakit walang black? Walang black doon. So, ang combination lang natin, blue-blue, red-blue, blue-red, red-red. Picking 2 balls. Follow until there?
Yes.
Follow po.
Okay. So, let's get the probability of the first blue. Blue-blue combination muna tayo. What is the probability of getting blue? The first blue.
2/5.
This is 2/5. Paano naging 2/5?
Dalawa po yung blue. Tas
We have 2 blue and
ano po?
tatlong
Yung
red.
addition na po. Apo.
Ayan. So, ang chances na blue, 2/5. Eh, nabunot na yung unang blue. Ano naman ngayon yung chances ng second blue?
1/5.
1/3.
1/3.
3.
Why 3?
Kasi po, nabawasan na po ng dalawang bola sa unang bunot.
Dalawang bola ba agad yung nabunot natin
Ay,
kanina?
isang bola pala. 1/4 po.
Oh, siya.
1/4.
So, 1/4. Bakit? Bakit 1/4? Kasi, nung pinili natin yung unang blue, wala na yan. Ito na lang yung natira. Isang blue, tapos tatlong red. So, yung chances natin, isang blue, tatlong red. Kaya siya 1/4. Follow yung blue-blue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's try yung red-blue naman. Red-blue combination. If una natin mabunot is red, ano yung chances ng red?
3/5.
1/5.
1/1, hindi, red lang. This is 3/5.
5.
Chances
Red.
ng red. Red tayo, red. Okay? Yung red na yung tinitingnan natin dito. So, 3/5. Bakit? Meron tayong tatlong red, tapos dalawang blue. So, 3/5 chances ng red. Red yung una mong nabunot. Now, what is the chance para makuha mo is blue for the second one.
2/4.
2/4. Why? Ano ba yung 2/4? Meron tayong dalawang blue, hindi pa nabunot kasi nung una, tapos dalawang red na lang yung natitira kasi red yung unang nabunot kanina. So looking at this, kanina ang chance ng blue is 1/4, 25%. Dito naman ang chance ng blue is 2/4 or 50%. Nagbabago yung probability ng blue. Depende kung ano yung naunang occurrence. Making this example as dependent event. Right? Follow yung concept?
Yes po.
Follow
Okay.
po.
Let's try naman yung sa red, blue-red and red-red combination. Getting blue is
2/5.
2/5.
2/5. Getting red,
3/5.
3/4.
5. Ay, 2 po.
3/4. Nabunot na yung una eh. So, bakit 2/5? Meron tayong dalawang blue,
3 red.
tatlong red. Tapos, 3/4. Bakit 3/4? Nabunot mo nung una is blue, leaving you with 3 red and 1 blue. What if red naman? Chances of first red is
3/5.
3/5 and second red is
2/4.
2/4. Paano nangyari yan? First red, 1, 2, 3. Tapos dalawang blue. Nabunot na yung unang red, leaving us with dalawang red na lang at dalawang blue. 2/4. So kung pansin nyo sa red, 3/4, 75% chance nung una, 50% chance nung second. Depende kung blue or red ba yung maunang mabunot. Statistically or dependent event. Right? Kuha? O, screenshot. Next. Among statistical dependence event, meron tayong tatlong types of given. If you're given or type of problem. If your problem is ganyan lang, simple lang, you call that marginal probability. So for this example, ang hinihingi lang niya is the probability of getting 4 out of 52 cards in a deck of cards. So the chance is 452, 113. Marginal. If what is asked is probability of one event and another event, joint probability. 2/52 or 1/6. This is the chance of getting 4 and red. 4 and red is mutually exclusive, non-mutually exclusive. The chance of getting 4 and red is this mutually exclusive, non-mutually exclusive. May chance ba na bunot ko ay 4? 4 siya, tapos red pa siya? Meron? Wala. Ay, wala naman yung estudyante ko. May chance po ba na ang mabunot nyo sa baraha? 4 na siya, red pa siya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes
Okay.
po.
Sagot kayo ha, baka yung kapitbahay namin yung sumagot. So that is mutually exclusive, non-mutually.
Mutually exclusive. Ay, non-mutually exclusive.
Non-mutually. Therefore, may minus, wala.
Wala po.
Yung formula natin, may minus, wala. May subtraction, wala.
Meron, ma'am.
Meron. Pag non-mutually, pag may hyphen, may subtraction tayo. Non-mutually, may hyphen yung word niya. may subtraction. So your formula will use the second formula na mutually exclusive. Red. Minus probability of getting 4 and red. Probability of getting 4 is, ilan ba yung 4 natin sa 52 deck of cards? 4. Isang 4 spade, 4 club, 4 diamond, 4 heart. So 4 over 52 plus probability of getting red. We have 13 hearts, 13 diamond, making it 26 red of 52 hearts. Minus the common 4 hearts, 4 diamonds. Ilan yon? Dalawa of 52. This is 4 plus 26, 30 over 52 minus 2 over 52, making this 28 over 52 or 53, 0.5384 or 53.84%. So anong pinagkaiba nitong formula na to dun sa this one? Anong pinagkaiba nila? Ito kasi ang hinihingi is for probability of getting 4 and red. What is the chance daw na ang mabunot natin is 4 or red? Meron daw tayong 53.84 chance. Bakit? 26. Kalahati na is red. Yung hearts at saka diamond, 50. Yung 3.84 na chance na nanggaling dun sa 4 na bulaklak at saka 4 na spade. So ang chance natin to get na ang bunot natin is either 4 or red card is 53.84. Dito naman sa joint probability, ang tanong is the chance of getting 4 and red. Pansin niyo yung operator iba. This is or, this is and. Kapag and, what is the probability na ang nabunot nyo is red na, 4 pa siya. So we only have 2 over 52, which is the 4 hearts and 4 diamond. Kaya 1 over 26. So that's the difference between the two operators. We also have conditional probability. This one naman. Ito yung operator niya. Given that. So how do we read this? Given that you drew a card, what is the probability that is 4? Given that ang nabunot natin is red, what is the probability na 4 yun? Over 26 or 1 over 13. Bakit? 26 yung red. Tapos, dalawa doon ay 4. Yan. May formula na yan. 2 over 26. 1 over 13. Ito yung formula. Let's do the formula. Example. Here. So, tatandaan po natin, ito yung formula natin. How would you know kung alin? Yung alin? Yung second event, siya lagi yung nandito sa divisor, nasa hulihan. Ganun din dito. Example, nagkabaliktad ng pesto. Assuming that yung A is 4, B is 4. So 4 is red, 4 and red. Dito yung 4. Assuming 4 red, ito yung red. Follow? Basta ang tatandaan nyo lang dito kung anong event yung nandito, siya yung nasa divisor. Yung nasa dulo, siya yung nasa dulo. Yung nasa unahan, it's a combination or joint. So given the probability of getting red, given getting 4, given that it is red. So nasa dulo yung red, what is the probability of getting red? You have 26 over 52. 26, 13 hearts, 13 diamond, 26 over 52. Getting 4 and red. Two over 52. 4 and red. 4 na siya, red pa siya. So, 4 diamond, 4 red, 2 over 52. Now, 2 over 52 divide 26 over 52. Kapag ilalagay nyo yan sa calculator, use grouping. 2 over 52. Mali. Pipindutin pala. Ayaw nyo mag-fraction. 2 divide 52 divide by 26 divide by 52. So the answer is 1 over 13 or let's use the calcu. 2 divide 52 divide by 26 divide 52. This is 7.69. 7.69. 692. 1. Let's check kung tama yung 1 over 13. 1 divide 13 is also 7.69. So, yan yung solution. Okay? So, again, be careful kung ano yung hinihingi. If it's for and red and yung operator, given that, slash yung operator, or, kapag or, mutually exclusive or non-mutually exclusive tayo. So let's practice on conditional probability. Here, I have example. Assume that we have a cylinder jar containing 10 balls of the following. So yung jar natin contains 4 white and 4 white lettered. White ball daw siya, tapos may letter. Ilan sila? 4. A, B, C, D. We have 2 whites and numbered. White ball siya and numbered. And we also have 3 yellow lettered. Yellow, tapos may letter A, B, C. And 1 yellow numbered. Making how many balls?
10, ma'am.
10 balls in total. So that's the given problem. Let's get the following. White lettered. Ilan yung white lettered among the given?
4 po.
4. So the chance is 4 over
10 po.
10 or 40%. White numbered.
2 po.
2 po.
2 over 10. Yellow lettered.
3 po.
3 over 10. Yellow numbered.
1 over 10.
1 over 10. Whites only.
6 over 10.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 whites out of 10 balls. Yellow only.
4 po.
4 over 10. And numbered only.
3 over 10.
3 over 10. Numbered, 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 3 over 10. So if you divide that, you get the probability. Now, what is the probability of getting lettered given that yellow yung nakuha mo? These are your yellow. Kung titingnan lang natin, ano yung probability among the yellow na lettered siya?
3 over 4.
3 over 4. Madaling malaman kasi konti lang yung values. Using formula, let's prove this 3 over 4. Again, yung nasa dulo, siya yung nasa dulo. What is the probability of yellow? This is yellow. 4 over 10. Probability of yellow lettered?
3 over 10.
3 over 10. So 3 over 10 divided by 4 over 10. This is cross multiplication. 30 over 40. Lowest form. 3 over 4. Same? Same.
Opo.
Okay. Madali lang natin makakita dito kasi maliit lang yung figures na bibilang natin. Pero pag malakihan na, the correct way to get the solution for these problems, given that, is formula like this. Yellow lettered and yellow. Let's try the other one. So that's 3 over 4 or 75%. How about, what is the probability of getting yellow given that it is a lettered ball? What is the probability of lettered? Dulo-dulo. Ilan ba yung lettered natin?
7 po.
7. So
7 out of 10.
okay. So 4 na white na lettered at 3 yellow na lettered, making 7 lettered out of 10. Probability of yellow lettered among dun sa 7, ilan yung yellow?
1 out of 10. Ay, 3 out of 10.
Ito yung yellow lettered, 3 out of 10. So 3 over 10 divided by 7 over 10 is, that's 30 over 70.
30 over
3 over lowest form. 3 over 7. Decimal form.
point.
3,
0.
8, 5. 4, 2, 0, 4, 2, 8, 5. Same ba tayo? Same? Three divided by 7. 0.4285, tama? Check. O, 43 if rounded off.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Eliza? Pareho?
Opo.
Okay. The last one. So what is the probability of getting white given that it is lettered? Dulo-dulo. Getting lettered. Ilan kasi? So getting lettered, ilan?
7/10.
7/10. White lettered.
4/10.
We have 4/10. Cross multiply. 40/70. Lowest form, 4/7. Or decimal form,
0.5740.
57. 0.57. Answer, 0.57. Follow?
Ma'am,
Yes.
pwede pong lumipat, magdi-disconnect lang po ako, lilipat lang po ako sa PC.
Sige, sige.
Thank you po.
Hindi pa tapos na tayo eh. Pa-screenshot na lang, tapos pasan kay Dominic. Okay. Any questions? Given. Probability of if yung problem nyo is or, and, or conditional, which is given. Ano pa ba after nito? Okay. Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem, conditional dependence din siya. Conditional statistical dependence. So, anong ginagawa? In probability, in the concept or discussions of probability, it is very likely na ma-encounter nyo yung Bayes theorem. Ano yung concept ng Bayes theorem? Sa Bayes theorem, ganito yung application niya. Example, nag-survey tayo. First survey, and then nag-return yung results, you have probabilities. So, tinali natin yung results nun, that's your prior probabilities. And then, meron tayong new information that could change yung results ng unang survey. Hindi naman yung second survey agad. So, magkakaroon ng tally or ima-match natin yung first result at saka yung second result. We will apply Bayes process or Bayes theorem. And then yung adjustment, that is your revised probability or posterior probability. Meron itong mathematical formula, but let me study first kung kailangan pa natin yon i-include sa discussion. Okay? So that is Bayes theorem. Nakapasok na ba si Dominic? Next to that is discrete variables, discrete probability, expected value, mean, variance, and standard deviation. Excuse me. Let's stop there. We will continue next meeting.